Installed the backup camera. It's up underneath the roof, the top of the windshield. Hooked it into the Adventure Pro. I wired it to the headlights, to the first notch on the headlights, just the regular driving headlights. And you just swipe down and comes right up. There's about a half a second delay in movement since it's a wireless camera. And I was gonna wire it to the reverse lights. I tried it and it does work, but the delay in the camera coming on with the reverse lights was about 9 seconds. And honestly, I don't want to wait 9 seconds for the camera to come on with using the reverse lights. So I just leave when I'm driving on the street or on the trail anyway, I have my headlights on. So that's not really that big a deal to me to have my headlights on, to have to use the camera. And I just toggle back and forth between this screen and the camera screen. And the camera's always on, so there's no delay because it's always recording if the machine is on and if the taillights are on. So pretty good little feature.